I am the product of my own environment. I am the product of my own environment. I am the product of my own environment. So shout out, man. Shout out. What's up, YouTube? Uh, Welcome to another video. So in today's video, I just wanna share like something outside music. So this is what I do outside music, you know. Yeah, I'm a music producer, full-time music producer who's always making beats entertaining the audience with new music each and every day, each and every week. It has been a goal, and I am like winning. Okay, but I feel like I also involve myself in other things, other matters. When I'm tired of making a sample, when I'm tired of making a loop, when I'm tired of making a beat, mastering, mixing, and all that, I feel like this. I need something. I need something. So I started a podcast with my friend. You can see that. So podcast on podcast. This is what I do outside music, man. So this podcast, actually, it's about interviewing new upcoming artists and producers, connecting people, networking, understanding that as an artist, it can be dope. Your music can be pop. I mean, your music can be fire and good and mastered very well, but you like uh in the people to promote your stuff. You like promotion. You like networking. You like exposing yourself to the world. How are you going to eat off your music if you can't get decent amount of streams from the digital platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Pandora, so you need to know where to market and who are your target audience. So this podcast will be helping those people who can't network for themselves. I'll be interviewing each and every artist. Already I've started. So it's me and my guy there, Franklin Souls, who are pushing a podcast. So this is what I do outside music. So now I want to play a video uh which we recorded, but I'm still editing. I'm still editing. I'll play this video, and then yeah, you get you get that picture of where this thing is all about. But it's a podcast. We chill, talk, and discuss and communicate, laugh, and share the best moments.
What up? What up? It's your boy Franklin Sauce.
Yeah,
Braya
yeah,
Hang,
yeah, yeah. Nicholas,
Nicholas on the
Nicholas,
beats.
yeah,
Nicholas on the beats.
Nicholas beatmaker.
Yeah, we kind of like want to take you guys by surprise. We have this new artist, a name. I feel like you guys are supposed to like get to know him because there's many of underground artists' name. We feel like we really need to give time to.
Yeah,
Uh,
so we are trying to help the community. You know, there's a lot of people who are talented, man. There's a lot of people who are special, who got the dreams to be popular in a specific field or line of work. You understand? If you're a music producer, if you're an artist, if you're an mixer, engineer, sound engineer, technician, whatever that involves music, man, we want people like you. You can text me on my WhatsApp, you can text me on my email, and then we can connect and collaborate, you know and then we expose you while we also expose ourselves in a podcast you know so we all wanna eat. Anyways, I'm pushing a podcast with my friend. You can see there, this is what I do, man. I'm always editing, trying to come up with logos. If you have an idea about a YouTube channel, maybe you want to open a cooking YouTube channel, yeah, so shout out. You can give me a call. Make a call. My numbers is on description. You can find it all over the place anyway. But it's going to be a very good podcast. We'll be interviewing unordinary people and ordinary people. Everyone, no, but not animals, of course. People, artists, musicians. We don't want to interview people that are not related to what we are doing. You can see it's podcast on podcast, and I didn't come up with the name, and it's all Franklin Soul's idea. Me, I was like, we can call it music podcast, like the lamest idea ever, but podcast on podcast it sound catchy. P on P, you can see that. So it's going to be very dope, and already we started posting on the channel. So I want to show you this other video with Maleda. Like, it's crazy, man. So but first let me show you this one. I'm still editing. I'm gonna post on the podcast and podcast YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe. Yeah, if you wanna get more of the music, because we'll be promoting music there, real music, not only beats. Yes, I'll be promoting beats. We'll be promoting whatever you do. If you play guitar, you're a guitarist, you know how to play guitar very well, you know how to play the piano, and then you should come to our podcast. You play for us live, and then we promote you, we push you, and then you get exposed. You get people that you want to get, like the right audience for you. Because if you're a guitarist, you want to your videos to be exposed to people who are a fan of a guitar. You understand? Not I'm a fan of violin, but it's everything is music. It's interconnected. So now let me play this video, and then I'll play another video with Maleda. So actually, I already posted the previous video with Maleda, but first, let me play this one when I was with the gang, and then we were just trying to shoot and record, you know.
Yo, I think the cover stories are you, yo.
It's
It's not public. It's not public, bro. It's not public.
So there is this video with Maleda. Yeah, this video with Maleda. I mean, it's fire, man. Let me play. Enda ndina Maleda hapa zvino nga chifhinga cha zvino rotozura dari ko discuss dari na interview nyana, short interview. So Maleda ndo nyogodziva ngaye na music wawe, and then don't come interviewer. So yeah, Maleda urumini na
Ya ndishapo pana bashapo na
ndi sharp, man, ndi sharp. Mutakalo ukurumini ngada kamaleda.
mtakalo shapo kabona shapo
Ushapu ngamanda, man. So Maleda angar gaya. So man, this is fire, man. I'm telling you, this is what I do outside music, man. I also create thumbnails. You can see I do thumbnails. You know, look at Ghana, man. He's flexing shiny, got the big rings. You know, trap beats tutorials. I do some editing, bro. I do some serious editing. So if you want my work, my service, make sure you connect with me. Everything is on the channel, bro. Number phones, email, TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram. Hey, man, all those social media platforms. Let's talk. You got a YouTube channel, you don't know how to make thumbnails. Let's talk. I'll design for you, you know. I'll design for you, and I do a lot of things outside music. I'm not just an ordinary beat maker, man. This is the YouTube channel. Already, I posted on the YouTube channel the short interview with Maleda. So I posted, this one was a short. I posted a short on the other channel, so the podcast channel. So already we're running 132 views. You know, watched hours is already zero point 0.0, like so because of course there's no subscriber at the moment, but already we are running 132 views, which means we're doing good. And then some of the things I do outside the music is I listen to loops, you know. No. By the way, Ish, I'm sorry. This video is about what I do outside music, and I'm busy playing loops, you know. It's my mistake. So, some of the things I do outside music, I am watching like the tape, you know. I'm watching the tape. This guy is a big time forex trader who's always broke anyway. So yeah, man. Now I'm inside the Funding Ticks website. So they have a discount at the moment. Use code FT to claim 20% discount on all accounts. Yeah, let's go through. So this guy is a forex trader who's always broke, but he loves music. So yeah. Anyways, I do a lot outside music, bro. Yo, what's up? Ish, it's been a while. I know, like, nichifinga ish, but no blow account, like a no blow account. So that's why I never posted on this channel. So yeah, man, I breached my account. I blew my account. That's why I'm not posting, but I'm here. So I do so much. I'm telling you, I edit. I edit. I spend time with the bros in the studios. You know, yeah. So this is my nigga Real Sen. Uh, you know what I'm saying? This is my nigga Real Sen. He dropped a track with a little boy, dumb boy. The track is called Falling, so you can find it on Spotify, all social media platforms. So I do a lot outside music. I also create logos. So already we are thinking of creating a YouTube channel. Already we created a YouTube channel about finding your type, man. So imagine we were chilling in the studio. This guy said, create a logo. We're gonna make a new YouTube channel about finding your type. So in this YouTube channel, we're gonna approach people, and then we're gonna blindfold them, and then we're gonna make them fall in love, bro. Imagine already the channel is running. Now we just wanna go and create videos. We're gonna do it. We're gonna approach people, and then we're gonna make them find their type, find your match. You can see that the logo and the YouTube cover. I designed this thing. I designed it from scratch. So if you want me to design for your YouTube channel, make a call. You know where to find my numbers in the description, or send an email. Go to TikTok, talk to me there, Instagram, Telegram. You can see the YouTube banner. It's fire, bro. Look at the cover. Find your type. Dating vlogs. Find your type. 015. Subscribe. Find love or stay single, bro. This is the best. It's so clean, beautiful, and then the color is blue. And then white, blue, white, blue, white. It's not too much noisy. You understand? If you want the design, make a call. So this is what I do outside music. So yeah, man, you can see I look at the chat, I look at the gold. I'll be golding and all that. I'll be uh focusing on the market.
Yo, what's good? My name is Royalson. I'm a producer. Actually,
Yeah. So we do a lot outside music here. So yeah, 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 yeah.